another video. We're going to be playing slide 999 miles into a toilet obby. Does this disappear? Okay, no. And it doesn't tell us what level we're at, so that's the only problem. And I'll be playing with Lexis. She's back here, right there. Of course she's way back there. Okay, did these disappear? Whoa. Yeah, it's a slide. I want to wait for her. Come on. Yay! Wait, come on, right here. Perfect. Ah! Really? Why'd you jump? Stop! Really? I'm on my face. Ah! Oh my... He just flew off. Come here. There. Okay, let's just stop. Oh gosh. Ah! Okay, where are we going now? Oh, okay. This looks like Mario. Or whatever it's called. Yay, money, honey. Okay, I think we're almost to the end. Yeah, we have to slide into another slide. Okay, it's the blue one, not the pink one. Sunny Day, ABL, Lexis, or whatever. Ow, really? Did you really run into me? Where is she? Oh, she's right there. She said, wee! I thought it might pick your gender. Oh, probably. Okay, come on, let's go. Wee! Where are we going? We're going to the... Whatever. Oh, I can't move my screen. Okay, where is she? Hi. I thought we weren't in the same server for a second. Basic. I can get it for free. Yay! Where did... Okay, I guess she's getting on with me. Oh gosh, we go fast. I hope she doesn't fall off. No, really? Really? Why'd you jump off? No, she's gonna... Okay, she's not gonna die. Good, I thought she was gonna die. Okay, good. She made it. Okay, why did I walk so slow? What does this say? Checkpoint, okay. Let's get the ducky. She really wants to get that checkpoint. Okay. This time she gets the ducky first. Let me on your ducky. I'm on her ducky. Really? Why'd you jump?
No, come back. Seriously, I'm gonna reset, so don't go.
Oh my gosh. Ah! No, help, 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 help. I'm jumping back. Okay, I'm walking back. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully... No! Really? Wait. Really? Okay. Okay, I got the ducky. Hurry, hurry, Lexis. Okay, she's on. Hopefully she doesn't fall off. Really? She needs to stop jumping. I'm not waiting. Uh-oh. Oh, gosh. That's probably why you have a ducky. Whee! Hopefully she doesn't reset. Whee! I don't see her falling, so I don't know if she's coming. This is very long. And kind of annoying. Okay. Let's wait for her because... Oh, whoa. I don't know how long it is or anything. That was very long. I don't know how long it's going to take her or anything. There's this girl down it. Okay, Okay, she said... Oh, she needs the ducky. Hi! Finally, she's here. Okay, we have to swim all the way to the end. Wait, can we walk? Please say we can. Yes! Is she in a boat? Good. I thought she was in a boat. I think walking would be faster, probably. Oh my gosh. Lexis just sneezed. I don't know what kind of sneeze that was, but okay. Oh my god. Where is she? Really? Where is she? Oh, she's right behind me. Girl, stop. Go. Stop crowding us. Go. They're very annoying. Okay, come on. Lexis is really right beside me. She just doesn't want to talk. She just doesn't want to reveal her voice. But in the next video, we will be showing you our face and our voice. Well, you already know what my voice is. Okay, that was Lexis. You already know what my voice is, but tomorrow we will be doing a face reveal. And yeah. Well, not tomorrow, but in the next video. Okay, come on, let's go down. Oh, we went into a fidget spinner. How long is this obby anyway? Whee! Very slow. Really? Oh my gosh. Whee! Oh, this is really fun. And really long and pretty. And really fast. Where is the end at? Is Lexis coming? Is that Lexis? I think that's Lexis. I think that's her. Hey Lexis, are you... Here, I'm gonna say... Are you on the rocket ship? Are you on the rocket? Oh, what? On the rocket. Are you on the rocket? Hopefully she's on the rocket. I don't know. Oh my gosh, there's a... I want her to get in this one with me, can? 2 people? I think 2 people can. Oh no, only 1 person can. Whatever. Yay, she's on the rocket. Is that her? I think that's her. Come on, Lexis, if that's you. Come on. Oh. Where is she? Is that her? Hopefully that's her. Someone said hi. They said hola, hello, whatever. Ah. Yay, hi. She said yoink. Wait, really? Okay. Hurry, hurry, get in, hurry. I'm in. Yay, I'm in the cart. Okay. This cart goes really, really, really slow, so I'm going to speed it up for you. I only have to edit 1. Yeah. Because the other ones, the volume was turned up. How long is this ride? I have to speed it up. So, Natalie, if we spend the night, we'll be able to make a bunch of videos tomorrow. Will you stay, please? Because we'll make a bunch of videos tomorrow. Could be. Okay, how the heck long is this stupid roller coaster? Pause the video. Or wait, no, just speed it up. I will. Zoom in all the way. Do it. All I see is your butt. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not zooming in because all I see is your butt. Can you try to wake up early? What happened? What happened?
Where'd you go?
No.
I can get a bike. Come on.
Okay guys, so we finally made it. Oh, a bike. I'm getting on. Oh gosh, this bike goes fast. Ah! What in the world? Okay, I'm getting my own. Really? I'm getting my own bike. It's supposed to be a bike. I don't know how the heck this... Lexis? Where is Lexis anyway? Oh. She's way back there. Oh! She just went flying! Oh my gosh, what'd she say? Oof. She likes to say oof a lot. She said oof in the last video. If you haven't seen it, you should probably go check it out. Her favorite word is oof and yoink. Bye. Is she coming? Whee! Gotta go super fast. Super fast. Oh. Whee! I'm going super fast. Lexis, really? I mean, she's going faster than me, so. She'll probably. She went faster than me, and she almost crashed into me. What in the world? What she did was crazy. I just ran into that noob. It's a noob. I guess she ran into the noob too. Oh my gosh. Where is she at? Oh, she's in the... Does she not know how to drive this thing? She looked She look. Maybe we can drive up these stairs. Ugh. Okay, no, that did not work. Come on. Haha. Oh, great. We have to walk up all these stairs. Ooh. Well, I will speed it up for y'all so it's not so long. It's gonna take forever. You screamed. Say Lexis, please. No, I spit it out. I didn't mean to scream. You literally screamed so loud. I tried to sneeze normal, but it didn't work out. Say Lexis, this takes us off everywhere. No. Okay, guys, so we're almost at the top, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see what's at the top. So we're almost there. Hopefully, it's not another obby again. I mean, another stage or something. Hopefully, it's the end. It's probably it's the end. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna paint myself. I'm gonna paint my arm purple and my leg. I'm gonna try to paint my other arm white. Oh my gosh, yay. I'm purple and white. Okay, let's try to change my leg to a different color. Hopefully I don't change my arms or anything. Lexis is black. I want to be blue. Yep, they do. I'm blue and red. Lexis said Black Lives Matter. They do. I mean, some people say that they don't. They really do. Ooh, this path. Okay, I don't really like placing those because they don't go away. Whoa, Lexis goes really fast. Let's get speed 200. Hopefully I don't die. Where'd Lexis go? Did she die? Maybe. I'm going to run all the way down the stairs. Whee! These very long stairs. Let's run all the way back up here. Oh my gosh. This is like crazy. I'm running all the way back up here. I have no idea where Lexis is, so don't even ask me where she is. Oh my gosh, I could like run all the way back to the beginning. Okay guys, but that's the end of the video, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. And Lexis said help her, so bye.